My name is Philip Lawlor, currently the manager of treatment plant maintenance at the region of Halton. I think of myself as a career maintenance manager, really with a passion for asset management and reliability engineering also. Most of my experience is in the private industrial sectors across Europe. I'm living in Canada about 10 years and most recently working for the public sector for about the past seven years. Coming into the public sector, I really want to, emphasize the importance of maintenance management within the wider asset management discipline. And I'm really passionate then, because of that, about building strong teams and, moving forward the idea that maintenance is really the engine that enables the realization of strong asset management plans. And of course, if those plans are focused on lowest costs and reducing risk over the longest potential life of the assets, maintenance management is really a prerequisite to having that realized. So as I mentioned, I am on the board of directors at PEMAC, but that's been for the past year. So I've been a member of PEMAC for a little over, I would say maybe 8 years, really coming to becoming more active actually since I completed my camp training, my asset management professional training. And afterwards, as I came on board with the board of directors, I really became more and more active. I think coming and supporting PEMAC is a great way to, bring forward your ideas, and it's a great organization to help realize some of those ideas that you might have. So for me, I've, focused a lot around maintenance. So some of the engagements that I've been involved with I represented PEMAC as a lead for the value realization chapter on the GFM-AM Asset Management Guideline Revision 2. That was published earlier this year. It was really great to see the expansion of the guidelines and a focus on value and other asset management elements. So that was really exciting to collaborate globally and also in Canada. Another project that I'm really proud of was the development and implementation of a bundle of projects, but essentially we did a pan-Canadian research assignment to understand the benefits of leveraging asset master data and information for maintenance readiness. This was good for many reasons: understanding the scale and challenges faced by municipalities in general, and finding common ground to focus improvements that have been very beneficial to people who are looking to move forward maintenance management and even their asset management plans across the public sector. So that was great to develop, and understand through the assignment of the survey work, but also we developed a course of training to help communicate the benefits of master data and maintenance management to help reduce those overall costs for those long-lived assets that exist in the public sector. So that was a really great engagement, and there's a lot of work still to do. And I think it's a great springboard to other initiatives that will come for sure. I really enjoy the ability to meet with other like-minded people, being able to share ideas and being able to collaborate with people to really make, those ideas a reality. And I think the opportunities that PEMAC provide, for me at least, has been very unique. I don't believe I can go anywhere else in Canada and be involved with the teams that I have been involved with and have the opportunity to implement projects that are, in my mind, very important at this point in time in Canada's journey on their asset management, their asset management journey. And for me, that has been really um, fulfilling for me, and it's been really a great opportunity for me to actually learn more, like through that collaboration as well. It's like every idea we have or every project we have creates another 10 ideas. So I think it's great that through the volunteer programs, we get a little bit of a platform to get started and then develop ideas a little bit further, and then the implementation of those ideas to create real change and benefits that I think in the long term will be very beneficial, not just for the volunteers, but the organizations, the communities. And I'm just, if I just speak for the public sector, it is one area that has, I think, a lot of opportunity for improvement. And I think that a lot of benefits will mature from a lot of the volunteering we do. Got the opportunity to meet with other public sector staff, and we connect through our jobs now. So it's not really a PEMAC only relationship. It's actually generating a lot of collaboration in our careers, in our workplaces. So that has been really nice for me to be able to connect, not just during PEMAC time, but during my own working time with these folks as well. It's been really good. The hardest part is always getting started. If you have a level of uncertainty about, is it the right time, or, I'm super busy, never feel that you're compelled to volunteer beyond your capability. I mean, once you get started, I think it will flow naturally. I would recommend you participate, share your ideas, get involved. And if you're really passionate about, being active or leading projects, there's no better place to do that. I would just get started. So I like to be part of something bigger. It motivates me to keep going. Of course, I love my day-to-day work, but the volunteering gives me a little bit of a extra avenue to pursue those crazy ideas that perhaps are not the right time for my organization, but I still get the opportunity to proceed with them.